Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we solve example 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 5 problems are learned in this video. First of all, observe the question. In the adjacent figure, AB is a line, is a straight line. Find the value of x and also find AOC, angle COD, angle BOD values find. First of all, given the data, AB is a straight line. So, solution, AB is a straight line. So, AB is a straight line. Next one, all the angles on AB at a point O. All the angles 1, 2, 3. Sum of the 3 angles at a point on the line is equal to 180 degrees. So write down all the angles on AB line at a point O is 180 degrees. So write down, first one is 3x plus 7 degrees. Second one, 2x minus 19 degrees. Third one, x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. First one is 3x plus 7. Second one is 2x minus 19. Third one is x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So open the bracket. First one is 3x plus 7. 2x minus 19. Third one is x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is a linear equation, one variable, only one variable is x. So sum of the variable terms 3x, 2x, x, total is 6x, and constant plus 7 minus 19, their sum is equal to minus 12 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 6x equal to minus 12 is transposed to the right side to get plus 12. 6x equal to 180 degrees plus 12 degrees, that is equal to 192 degrees. Then x is equal to 192 by 6. So divide by 6. 6 3 ja, 6 2 ja. So their value equal to x is equal to 32 degrees. X value equal to 32 degrees. Next one, find value of x. Next one, find the angle AOC. Angle AOC. So first one is angle AOC. Second one is angle COD. Third one, angle BOD. Okay. Angle AOC, angle COD, and angle BOD. Angle AOC equal to, from the data, from the question figure, AOC equal to 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7. So write down 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7. So 3 into x value 32 degrees plus 7. So 3 into 32, 96 plus 7 is equal to 103 degrees. 103 degrees. Next one, angle COD. Angle COD, observe the figure. COD equal to 2x minus 19. So 2 times of 32 minus 19. 2 times of 32 equal to 64 minus 19. 64 minus 19, 45 degrees. Okay. Third one, BOD. BOD is equal to x degrees. X degrees is equal to 32 degrees. Okay. So therefore x value is 32 degrees and angle AOC is equal to 103 degrees. Angle COD is equal to 45 degrees. Angle BOD is equal to 32 degrees. Okay. Next question. Observe the question. In the adjacent figure, lines PQ and RS are intersecting each other at a point O. Each other intersect at a point O. And angles ratio POR and ROQ. POR, this angle POR, and ROQ, this angle. These two ratio is 5:7. Find all the angles. In this question, observe the POR and ROQ. These two angles are linear pair. Adjacent angles and a linear pair. What is the linear pair? Sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. So first of all, write down given data POR and ROQ. These two are ratio. Solution PQ and RS. These lines are intersect at O. Intersect at O. Next one, angle POR ratio angle ROQ is equal 5:7. 5:7. In the given two angles ratio 5:7. So therefore angle POR equal to sum of these two terms, first term and second term, 12. So 12 parts. So angle POR is equal to 5/12 into, here first of all write down here POR plus ROQ equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. So 5/12 into 180. So 12 1 ja, 12 15 ja, 5 15 ja, 75 degrees. 5 15 ja, 75 degrees. Next one, angle ROQ. Angle ROQ. Angle ROQ equal to 7/12 into 180 degrees. So 12 1 ja, 12 15 ja, 15 7 ja, 105 degrees. So these two angles, one of the angle POR equal to 75 degrees. Angle ROQ is equal to 105 degrees. Next one, observe the figure. Remaining two angles. So this angle is SOQ. Angle SOQ. This angle, another angle, fourth angle is POS. POS. So SOQ, observe here, SOQ is equal to POR. POR equal to 75 degrees because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Next one, POS. POS. This angle is equal to ROQ. So ROQ equal to 105 degrees because this is also vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Okay students, first of all in the data PQ and RS, these two are intersecting at a point O. So here four angles are formed. These two pairs are opposite angles. These two pairs are opposite angles. These two are linear pair. These two are linear pair. These two linear pair. These two also linear pair. So here POR and ROQ ratio is equal to 5:7. This sum is equal to 180 degrees. So next one, ratio POR equal to 5/12 into 180. ROQ equal to 7/12 into 180. So therefore 75, 105. So this one is 75. So this opposite angle is also 75. 105, 105. Okay students. Next question, example 5. Calculate angle AOC, angle BOD and angle AOE in the adjacent figure given that angle COD equal to 90 degrees, angle BOE is 72 degrees and AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line, COD equal to 90 degrees, BOE is equal to 72 degrees. Find AOC, BOD AOE angles. Okay. First of all, write the given data. AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Okay students, AOB is a straight line. Then here observe the below angles AOE and BOE. These two are linear pair. So angle AOE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. Okay. So AOE equal to 3x plus 72 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Next one, 3x plus 72 is transposed to the right side. 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. 180 minus 72, 108 degrees. Okay. Then x is equal to 108 degrees by 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is a 18. Therefore x value equal to 60 degrees, 36 degrees. Okay. X value is equal to 36 degrees. Okay. Next one, above the angles, above three angles, x degrees, 90 degrees and y degrees. Sum of these three triangles at a point on the line. Sum of these three angles at a point on the line is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So angle AOC is equal to x degrees plus COD equal to 90 degrees plus BOD equal to y degrees equal to 180 degrees. X plus 90 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. From the here x is equal to 36 degrees, substitute in this equation. 90 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. Okay, next one. 36 plus 90, 126 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. Then y equal to, next one, y equal to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees plus 126 is transposed to the right side. So 180 minus 126, 54 degrees. So therefore y equal to 54 degrees. In the from the figure y equal to, from the figure y equal to BOD, y equal to BOD and x is equal to AOC, angle AOC is equal to x value. Another one is AOE, angle AOE equal to, here angle AOE equal to 3 times of x. So 3 into 36, 3 into 36, 108 degrees, 108 degrees. Okay, angle AOE equal to 108 degrees. Okay students, in this data, first of all, below two angles 3x plus 72, these two are linear pair, so their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Then x is equal to 188 degrees by 3, 36 degrees. X value and above angles, observe the figure, x plus 90 plus y equal to 180 degrees because sum of all angles at a point on the line equal to 180 degrees. This property used here, x plus 90 plus y equal to 180. X here 36 degrees plus 90 plus y equal to 180 degrees. 36 plus 90, 126 degrees plus 126 degrees is transposed to the right side. 180 minus 126 is equal to 54 degrees. Okay. Next problem, example 6. In the adjacent figure, ray OS stands on a line PQ. PQ is a straight line. OS is stands on PQ. Ray OR and OT. OR and OT. These two are angle bisectors of POS. OR is the bisector of POS, OT is the bisector of SOQ respectively. Find ROT value. Find ROT. Okay. First of all, solution. In the data given, PQ is a straight line. PQ straight line. Next one, ray OS stands on the line PQ. Therefore, angle POS plus angle SOQ equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. Okay, linear pair. Next one, POS plus SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Let angle POS equal to X, angle SOQ equal to Y. Angle POS is equal to X, SOQ is equal to Y. Substitute in these values, X plus Y equal to 180 degrees. Let this is the equation 1. X plus Y equal to 180 degrees. Next one, OR. OR is the bisector of POS. Okay, POS. OR is the bisector of angle POS. So, therefore, ray OR bisects angle POS. Therefore, ROS, this angle ROS is equal to half of the POS equal to, we know that POS is equal to X. Therefore, ROS is equal to X by 2. Another one, ray OT bisects angle SOQ. Therefore, angle SOT equal to half of the SOQ equal to Y by 2. Okay. Next one, we find ROT equal to angle ROS from the figure, ROS plus SOT. ROS plus SOT. Here ROS is equal to X by 2. SOT is equal to Y by 2. Okay. Next one, X by 2 plus Y by 2 equal to X plus Y by 2. From the data, from the equation 1, X plus Y equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees by 2 equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle ROT equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Angle ROT equal to 90 degrees. Okay, students. First of all, observe the figure. PQ is a straight line. Ray OS stands on the PQ. So, POS plus SOQ equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. So, let POS is equal to X, SOQ is equal to Y, X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. This is the equation 1. From the data, ray OR is bisects POS. So, therefore, ROS is equal to half of the POS equal to X by 2. Similarly, OT is bisects SOQ. Then SOT equal to angle SOT equal to Y by 2. Here, we find the data ROT equal to ROS plus SOT. Therefore, X by 2 plus Y by 2 is equal to X plus Y by 2 equal to 180 degrees by 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Example 7th. In the adjacent figure, OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. In the adjacent figure, OP, OQ, OR and OS. These four are rays. Prove that angle POQ, QOR, SOR and POS. The sum of four angles equal to 360 degrees. Okay. So first of all, here O is a point, and OP, OQ, OR, OS are rays. Okay, these four are rays. Next one, OQ is a ray. If OQ is extended opposite direction, OQ is extended opposite direction, that is OT. Okay friends, OQ is extended opposite direction, OT. So therefore TQ is a straight line. TQ is a straight line. Okay, next one, next to OP. OP ray stands on line TQ. OP ray stands on TQ line. Therefore angle TOP plus POQ, angle POQ is equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. This is the equation 1. Next one, below angles SOQ, SOQ, this motta total angle, and TOS is equal to TOS plus SOQ. These two angles sum is equal to 180 degrees because linear pair. So angle TOS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. This is the equation 2 because this is also linear pair. Next one, SOQ equal to SOR plus QOR. So SOQ equal to angle SOR plus angle QOR. Okay, SOQ equal to SOR plus QR. These values substitute in the above angle. So TOS plus SOR plus angle QOR equal to 180 degrees. This is the equation 3. Okay students. Next one, here adding equation 1 and equation 3, we get equation 1, add LHS side LHS, RHS side RHS. So LHS side TOP plus POQ plus TOS plus SOR plus angle QOR equal to right side 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. Here TOP and TOS, these two sum is equal to POS. So but TOP plus TOS is equal to angle POS. Okay, so this is the, here this one is 4, this value substitute in this equation. So POS plus angle POQ plus angle SOR plus angle QOR is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Okay. Here, first of all, draw the figure, given figure. OQ is extended opposite direction OT. TQ is a straight line. OP stands on the straight line. So therefore, these two angles are linear pair. So TOP plus POQ is equal to 180 degrees. And this side also, TOS and SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Here SOQ is equal to sum of other two angles. SOR plus QOR equal to 180 degrees. Next one, equation 1 and equation 2. These two equations are add. LHS terms LHS, RHS sides add RHS terms. So here TOP, TOS, these two angles equal to POS. So this value is substituted in the equation 4. Therefore angle POS, angle POQ, angle SOR, angle QR equal to 360 degrees. Okay students, thank you. Next, observe the screen. Exercise 4.2 problems. These problems are homework, same type of problems. These properties are used in these problems. Solve. Okay, thank you.